What's up everybody? Today we are here in Slovenia on the Great Slovenian Bicycle Challenge. I'm looking forward to riding electrical bikes, something I've never done before my entire life. My legs are not burning and they don't feel like jello, so it's great. I'm also looking forward to trying some cheese because secretly I'm a cheeseaholic. Yeah, that's quite unique. Woo! Nice and strong. It's a great exercise. So we're here in Suriska Mountain and the trek up here was very difficult. The e-bikes made it a little easier, but definitely the views are worth it. This cheese is very unique to this region because only 5 farms are allowed to make this cheese because it's actually protected. It's really cool to be here because we have special access to the cheese itself. I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't quite smell like cheese, but you can still smell a little bit of what cheese will be.